Welcome back, my dear students. I hope that all of you are fine and healthy. Welcome to my class. Welcome to the English tutorials with Pooja ma'am. So, in today's class, we need to recapitulate or we need to recap whatever things we have learned earlier in the previous classes so that we can understand all those things again very well. So I would like to show you some pictures so that you can guess the topic of revision for today's video. So as you can see, this is the picture of the Taj Mahal. Yes, this is the first picture that I am showing you. Now it's the time for the second picture. Just look at this picture. Yes, everyone can understand that this is a beautiful house. It may be anyone's house. So the first picture was about the Taj Mahal. Second picture, a house. Now third picture. As you can see, these are logs or you can see wood. You may think that why ma'am is showing us these pictures. I'm showing you these pictures only to give you the space or the time so that you can guess the topic of today's chapter. The topic that I am going to make you understand again. These are also, you can see wood. Now this picture, everyone can identify this picture very easily. Yes, this is a picture of a classroom. This is a class where a group of students, as you can see, they are sitting and they are talking with the teacher, and one teacher is also there. This is a picture of a class. Here you can see that one man is helping that blind lady to cross the road. So it's the benevolent nature, it's the kindness, it's the benevolent nature of the man. So this is the picture, or that was an act of kindness to help that poor or that blind lady to cross the road. I hope that my students have already guessed the topic. Yes, so the topic for revision is the nouns. So today we are going to discuss again, or today we are going to recapitulate nouns. So first of all, I would like to start with the definition of noun. Nouns are words that are used to name an animal, person, idea, place or thing. You can see the examples: apple, camera, ship, Eiffel Tower. Yes. Now we will learn something more about nouns, and that's why dive deep into nouns. After the definition of nouns, we would again learn types of nouns. I know that all of you know, but still I would like to make you understand those things again. So how many types of nouns or how many kinds of nouns you know? Yes, there are 5 kinds of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and the last one is abstract noun. So now we will learn proper noun. A proper noun names a specific person, place, thing or idea. It refers to a name of a noun. As you can see, White House, Felix, and the first picture, the picture of the Taj Mahal. That was also the example of proper noun. Common noun. A common noun is a noun that refers to people or things in general. For example, boy, country, bridge, city, birthday, happiness. Okay, so common nouns, these are common nouns. Now we will learn about material noun. So you may think, what are material nouns? Students, in the third picture I have shown you that logs or that those wood. Now just look at this picture. This picture is the name of a substance, material noun, the name of a substance of which the things are made. Chair. The chair is made of wood. This box is made of cardboard. The house is made of bricks or cement. The book is made of paper. Okay, so material noun refers to a material or substance from which things are made. As you can see that purse was made of leather, gold. So golden ornaments are made of gold. Now, what is a collective noun? It is a word that names a group of people, animals, or things. So collective noun refers to a group of people or animal or things. Just look at the examples. Class, used as singular. I have also shown you the picture of class. My first block class is always on time. Class, when used as plural, the class turned in their homework. Committee, used as singular, the committee wants our attention. So abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are nouns that you cannot see, hear, touch, smell, or taste. They are ideas, qualities, and feelings that cannot be seen or touched. As you can see, responsibility, fairness, justice. So what have you learned from today's videos? So now it's important to discuss what have you learned. So the first thing that you have learned is the definition of noun. Noun, a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. Okay, after the definition of noun, you have learned different kinds of noun. So proper nouns. A proper noun is a certain person, place, or thing. Like George Washington, Lincoln Park Zoo, Chips Ahoy. So these are the names of some certain things or persons. Common noun. Common nouns, a general word for a person, place, thing, or idea in general. It can be any boy, any girl, anything. Okay, and after proper noun, we will again discuss. Just look at this thing. A common noun names a general person, place, thing, or idea. It doesn't refer to something specific. Cat, house, shoe. Just like this. After watching the video, you can differentiate between proper noun and common noun. Hi, I'm a boy, so I'm a common noun. I'm John, I am a proper noun. Yes, and proper nouns, whenever you write proper noun, you need to write that thing with capital letter. Okay, then material noun. A material noun is the name of a substance as a whole. Here, one thing I would like to tell you, students, here in this picture, the spelling of sugar, by mistake, it is incorrect. So it will be S-U-G-A-R. So the spelling of sugar will be S-U-G-A-R. Abstract nouns, the things which you cannot hear, smell, taste, touch, or see. As you can see, jealousy, sickness, curiosity, pleasure, your emotions, I can tell you. Okay, now collective nouns. Here are some list of collective nouns that you can understand. Family, team, group, audience, class, government, police. So after watching this video, you can understand collective nouns also. Now one work for all of you. Classify these nouns. Bike, planet, desk, scissors, Jupiter, justice, judge, dollar, Christian, snow, city, Islam, roaring spring, Pennsylvania, friendship. So you need to do that work in your classwork copy and you need to send it to me in WhatsApp group personally. Till then, thank you very much to all of you. I hope that you have understood it very well. Thank you very much.